And these are the instructions here. Previously, it was transforming one word to the registers, whereas here it is transforming the byte. The byte is for this cycle. Okay, so this example shows one cycle interlock caused by delayed load use. Okay, load RB, and this instruction is depend on the this one. Okay, so load, please understand the concept. This instruction is XOR operation, and this instruction is depend on the result of the this. Okay, because I am using one of the source operand for the XOR operation is it is the destination registers of the R1. So destination registers are used to store the result. Okay, and this is the memory location pointed by the register R2. For example, R2 is a 2000. If you move R2 to the 2000, it is a 2000 has been added with the 1, and whatever the data which is available in the memory location which has address 2001 is transferred to the register R1. Okay, so and it is a byte is there, so the byte is not transferred in the case of the load store 1. So load store 1 is cycle, it is used for the word transfer. Byte transfer means load store 2 only perform the byte transfer from memory to the what you can call it as a processor registers. So we'll see how they execute in the pipelining. First, LDRB is always the first instruction begins with the ALU. Second one is add. Add comes and it is not depend on the previous instructions, because it is a R2 is there and R0 is there. R2 is not updated. Okay, so it is available in the source only. Whenever the registers are there in the source, they never be updated. Okay, their values are constant. Only the registers which are there in the destinations are going to get updated. Previous values are overwritten by these values. Okay, so here also add R0 is there in the source as well as the destination. This previous values of the R0 is overwritten by the this previous values of the R0 is overwritten by the addition of these two. Okay, but here this R2 is there in the source, and this R2 is also there in the source. So this is not going to update. Hence, there is no interlock between these two. Whereas the destination registers of this instruction is used in the source source of this instruction. Hence, there is a interlock between these two, and it is a byte is there. So byte means it takes one for the operation. This is waste only for the byte, and this is for the loading the byte. So totally it is taking 3 cycles until and unless it passes through the 3 cycles. So the R2 is not available, R1 is not available for the EOR. So even though EOR comes in the 3rd cycles, because in the 3rd cycle the byte is started loading from this location to the register R1. Hence, the R1 is not available for the EOR. That's what EOR wait for the one more cycle. Okay, EOR is waiting for the one more cycle. Even though it is come to the ALU processor, please make a note. And the ALU is busy with the transferring the data byte from this memory location to the register R1. Even though the EOR come to the ALU, but the processor will not perform operations on the EOR instruction until and unless the transfer takes place. In the 3rd cycle, in the first 2 cycle, the ALU performing operations on these 2 instructions, whereas in the 3rd cycle, movement, it is performing movement operations. Hence, EOR comes because movement is before the EOR. So first it performs the movement of the data from this memory location to the register. After that only it perform operations on the EOR instructions. So this is for the operation, this is for the operation, and this cycle is for the movement of the data. Hence, after completion of the movement of data, the processor perform operations on the instruction called as a EOR. That is what here also one cycle in the pipeline, one cycle is wasted. 3 instruction, actually it should take the 3 cycles, but here it is taking 4 cycles. This is only because of in the 3rd cycle, the movement of the data, the processor is performing the movement of the data from memory to the registers of the processors. Hence, it is interlocking. Okay, this is the hiccup of the pipelining. Okay, so it is one hiccup of the one problem of the pipelining when load instruction comes.